Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Fatima, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I detangle my hair and also how I use Olaplex's number 0 and number 3 bonding treatments. But before we get started, please subscribe and like the video. Feel free to leave a comment just to support your girl, you know, we're out here hustling. But yeah, I start off on sectioned hair, so I put my hair in 6 sections and I go in with Olaplex number 3 and number 0. Number 0 first, I spray that like all over my hair, and I make sure my hair gets like really saturated with it to the point where my hair is like damp. Once it's like damp enough, I go in with Olaplex number 3 and I smooth that through my hair, and then I detangle. So this is the part where you really want to be careful, because this is like where breakage happens very easily. Like it can happen very easily, and if you're not careful, you'll suffer from too much breakage and then you won't be able to retain any length. So as you can see, I start detangling from like the tips of my hair, and then I slowly work my way up. The Olaplex products that are in my hair like have really good slip, so it makes detangling a breeze. On days that I'm not using Olaplex, like I just wet my hair because I already have so much product in my hair. Wetting it is enough. But sometimes if I have like a conditioner or some product that I can work into my hair, that helps too, just to create some slip. And then I detangle from my tips to all the way up to my roots, gradually moving up, working through, you know, the tangled hair. And then once I'm done, I twist it up and then I clip the ends. I started doing this because like my twist would unravel and then I would have to twist it up again, which was really annoying. So I do the same thing here. You know, I just wet the section with the Olaplex number 0. And you guys, this product, I know a lot of people with like curly, coily type 4 hair don't use Olaplex, but I personally love Olaplex. Like the bonding treatment saved my hair because my hair wouldn't grow past my brow strap. Like for I think it was like 2021 maybe, my hair was like stuck the same length for a little while, and it was because my hair was just really fragile, so it was breaking easily. So once I incorporated Olaplex into my hair care routine, I started seeing a lot of length retention and a lot less breakage. So I personally recommend it. It makes my hair really smooth, it makes my hair really soft, and I just love Olaplex products. Yes, they are pricey, but I personally think they're worth it. If you can get your hands on some, please test it out and see for yourself. It makes my hair soft, it makes my hair, you know, shiny. It just works like magic, honestly. It works like magic. Y'all, you might be wondering why like I'm using Olaplex in the first place. It's like for people with damaged hair. This product itself is meant to repair your hair. So me manipulating my hair and like brushing it and using heat on it, like heat styling my hair, that is damaging to my hair to a certain extent. So like Olaplex is the perfect product for repairing any kind of damage. It's really good, especially if you have heat damage, you know, chemical damage, even mechanical damage. Like it's really good. Like it works on a microscopic level by repairing the bonds in your hair, literally repairing the bonds. So honestly, if you can get your hands on some, I highly recommend it. But yeah, once again, you see me working like in sections, and I detangle from my tips and I work my way up to my roots, and I gradually do this, and I'm just trying to push all the tangles like from my roots down outward. You never want to detangle from your roots like down all the way without starting at your tips. Like, girl, no. Like that's why your hair is breaking. You know, I always tell people like, please, if you're experiencing like issues with length retention and your hair not growing, I guarantee you the issue can be pinpointed to you detangling your hair. It's probably the way you detangle and the way you twist, the way you protective style your hair, or the way you take down your braids. I also forgot to mention, I do this treatment like before I shampoo my hair. So you use this treatment before you shampoo, and I use it almost every time I shampoo. Not every single time, but almost every wash day, I'd say. And I don't use it on the same days that I'm doing protein treatments. So I either pick one. I'm either doing a protein treatment or I'm doing Olaplex. I do protein treatments every like 2 to 3 months, but I use the Olaplex number 0 and number 3 almost every wash day. So I rinse out the number 0 and number 3 from my hair, and then I shampoo, and then I shampoo again. So I do 2 like lathers because I use really heavy products, so it's very important for me to, wash them out really well. But yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. I'm just gonna let you watch the rest of the video. So that's basically what I do. Apply number 0, and then I apply number 3 on top. I detangle and I twist it up. You guys, something so exciting happened today. Olaplex DM'd me and they are adding me to their PR list. Like, I could literally scream when I saw the DM. The scream that I scrumped. I screamed, literally, because I love Olaplex. I've been using Olaplex since like 2021, 2020, I think. I really don't remember, but it's been a few years, and like I started like my content creation journey in March, and Olaplex has noticed your girl. Oh my god, like when they sent me that message, I just went through the roof. Like I was so happy. I still feel so happy, and this is only the beginning. I'm trying to show more love to my YouTube audience. I know I post primarily on TikTok and a little on Instagram, but I really do want to have like tunnel vision when it comes to YouTube, because it just takes up a lot of time, honestly, and I'm very busy as it is, like with school and work, and then I do content creation on the side. So the one that takes the longest to do, like to edit and record, is definitely YouTube. I've thought about getting like an editor, and that's something I'm still thinking about. I might just do that, but I feel like it's gonna be like a process to find someone that I can like communicate how I want my videos to come out. So I don't know, I'm still thinking about it, but I think in order to like really consistently put out content weekly, I'm gonna have to get help, because I just can't spend 2 days or 3 days editing a video. I mean, I could, it's just that other aspects of my life would start like failing. So, and I don't want that to happen, and I think I just need to get help. So I'm gonna look into that. But right now I'm editing my own video, doing my own voiceover, and yeah, this is pretty much only the beginning. We are almost, like, my goal is to hit 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm at like 2,700 now, I think, and that's with me not even posting that much. So I mean, sometimes I feel like I shoot myself in the foot a lot, because I could do better. I know I could. I really want to. So I'm just gonna try, as starting now to, record and edit as much as I can. And then I'm really gonna look into getting help. And yeah, but please feel free to let me know what other videos you want to see. Like, I recorded a whole wash day routine, and this is part of the wash day routine because this is a step I do before I shampoo. So I use the Olaplex products and then I shampoo my hair, so it's part of my wash day routine. I just thought I would do it like more in depth, so that it would, so that people could really see how I do it, because I didn't want to like record a 50-minute video of me doing my hair, so it's better off to have it like in parts. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I just kind of like wet it some more with the Olaplex number 0 just to get it very saturated, and then I put a shower cap over my head and I let the product sit in my hair for about 10 minutes, and then I rinse it out. And once I rinse it out, in this case I didn't do that. I think I just applied shampoo because I wasn't gonna like record myself in the shower, to be honest. Here I just wet my hair. This is supposed to like show me rinsing it out in the shower with my hair. And then when it's like really, 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 really wet, when it's like dripping wet, I then go in with the shampoo. And honestly, I change my shampoo up a lot. Your girl has been getting some PR, so I got Cara Care. I collaborated with them actually for one of my TikTok videos. I really like the shampoo and the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in are really good. So that's pretty much all I do. I apply the shampoo. I'll show you how I shampoo in my next video. But I apply the shampoo and I shampoo my hair. But in the next video, I'll show you like my wash day, like my shampoo routine, and then from there I'll show you how I protective style because I recorded all of that.